Welcome to You Ask, We Answer, where our team breaks down your real questions about indoor air quality in a way that's clear, practical, and honest. Let's get started. So what is a depressurization duct and why do you even want one? Well, let's talk about what is it that we are trying to depressurize. Well, in this instance, we're trying to depressurize our home. Now, to help us out today, I've drawn a little diagram of a home. It's pretty straightforward. We have our attic, our main floor, basement, some windows and doors. We have an air filtration system, our filter, our furnace, and our supply air and our return air. So the thing about a home is that our homes are always at a negative pressure. Now, why is this? Here we have, in our home, we have air constantly moving out of our home. Well, science tells us that if we have air going out of our home, we're going to have air coming into our home to replace that air. So we've got dirty air coming in through cracks, gaps in our doors, windows, attic, things like that, and putting new, fresh, dirty air into our house. Now, this matters to you because you have your air filtration system, whether it's a NovusAer or something else, and it is always doing its best and working as hard as it can to create fresh, clean air for you into your home. But that clean air is escaping through our exfiltration, the air leaving the home, and is being diluted at a 20% rate by dirty air coming into your house. So 20% looks like if I have 10 cubic feet of clean air, it is being diluted by 2 cubic feet of dirty air. So this is going to cause your filter, whatever it might be, to be 20% less effective. Now, let's talk about what we can do about this. This is where our depressurization duct comes in handy. Essentially, we're going to create a duct that comes and brings outside air and ties directly into our return air. Whoops, let's grab our dirty air marker. We're bringing outside air and bringing it directly into our air filtration system, along with the dirty air coming in from your home. What this does is it creates a neutral pressure within your home. So we no longer have these areas, all of this air, this dirty air coming into your house, infiltrating your house because of this depressurization duct. Now, one thing that this doesn't do is it doesn't eliminate this exfiltration that we're experiencing here. And that can only be eliminated through weatherization. But what it does do is it pinpoints exactly where our dirty air is coming into our house and making sure that it runs through our filter before it enters into our home. So this means that whatever filter you have in place is no longer 20% less efficient. So let's say you have a MERV 16 filter, which is rated for 95% efficiency. That means that 95% of the air in your home is going to be clean. And the same thing applies for a NovusAer filtration system, which is rated for 100% efficiency in cleaning PM 2.5 particles, which means that 100% of the air in your home is clean. And that is exactly why you want to consider adding a depressurization duct to your home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember that if you have other questions, they're probably being answered over on essentialairproducts.com. Scroll over to the tab that says You Ask, We Answer, and if by chance your question is not answered there, please be sure to leave a comment in the comment box with the questions that you have so that we can answer your questions. Thanks for watching You Ask, We Answer. For more tips and resources, visit us at essentialairproducts.com. Clean air starts here.